Today's stamping theme is birds, and joining me this week is Girly Nails 66 and Never Naked Nails Nail Art. This is my bird design. I'll be using Base Coat by Maxus for healthy, strong nails. And I'll be using Maxus Finito Top Coat for a long-lasting manicure. In this video, I'll be using Holo Taco's Not Milky White. Holo Taco is here for the Payday. Today I'll be using Moira's, it's actually water slide paper. You can create your own water slides. It does say nail art stickers, but it isn't. The stamping polish I'll be using today is by Hit the Bottle, and it's called Black as Night. I'll be using Maniology's sticky base coat to help the stamp images stick to the nail better. And I'll be using Maniology's smudge-free top coat, and this helps protect the stamped image from smudging. I'll be using my favorite stamper. It's the Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology, and it is nice and tacky, so it helps pick up the image really well. The stamping plate I'll be using is by Lena, and it is called Get in Line 01. I'm going to put a coat of Not Milky White, actually 2 coats. I'm going to get this little parrot right here. And I'm going to put the stamped image on this water slide paper. So with the water slide, with these thin lined ones, you have to work really fast, and I'll show you why I did one on a stamper and I did one on a water slide paper, and you'll find out why in a few minutes. While my nails are drying, I'm going to snip off this parrot right here. And then I'm going to just cut around the outline. Kind of close to the image. I have base coat and 2 coats of Not Milky White. Now I'm just going to add a splash of color. Just kind of like a dry brush. Now on the nail that I'm going to stamp on, I'm going to put a sticky base coat. I'm just going to stamp the parrot right here. That turned out really well. Now I've got this one over here, and I'm just going to add a couple of drops of water right on top. And just wait a couple of minutes. And it just slides right off the paper. And I'll just put a drop of water on my nail, and oh, this is why I wanted to do this. I wanted to put it facing the other way, and so I thought this would be a really easy way to do that, is to use that that custom water slide paper. So now I'm just going to dry it off. And I'm just going to take some acetone and get rid of this part sticking off. There we go. Now I'm just adding a smudge-free top coat to seal it in. And the smudge-free top coat is water-based, so it works fine with the water slide paper. Now I'm just going to add a quick dry top coat, Maxus Finito, to all my nails. Here is the finished manicure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.